Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn off, that's means switch off on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and provide two different way. In the first way, you just use power button and volume down button. You just press on, same time long press power button and volume down button. After 5 seconds, then you get this option. Just press on to power up and finally click on to power up, then it's power up in the first way. And the second way, go to my control center, showing it to power button. Just press on, then I'm get power up option. Just press on, click on, then it's power up. Or if you want to power up from your cover screen, simply press on power button and volume down button, long press, then I'm get this option. So that's it.